So here I am once again in beautiful Croatia. I'm in a place called Paklenica, which is just off the coast of Croatia. It's about 40 kilometers from Zadar. It's a very beautiful place. It's actually quite a famous place. It was made famous for the Winnetou movies, or Winnetou movies. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it.
Winnetou.
Now, these movies were made in the, again, I'm not quite sure when. It was 50s, 60s or 70s. And they were quite famous films. They were cowboy and Indian movies. Actually, when I get back to Austria, I think I'll check them out. And this is why I'm wearing my cowboy hat, or kind of cowboy hat. It's also, here is a kind of rock climber's paradise. You can see behind me there are some rock faces. And just up here on my right side, there are a couple of rock climbers, they're already about a quarter of the way up a rock face. Anyway, we are here to practice Surya Namaskar, and we're going to look at the techniques of how to practice Surya Namaskar and remain relaxed and balanced as you practice. So let's take a look at Surya Namaskar. So there are three points to practicing Surya Namaskar. So the first one is, it's very simple. The first one is remain relaxed. Yeah, keep your body relaxed. Don't allow your shoulders to get tense, your knees to get tense. Allow your body to be flexible. Yeah, so when you're moving, maybe you keep your knees soft. Yeah, keep your ankles soft. Keep your elbows and shoulders soft. Yeah. So don't try to stretch out. Don't try to force yourself to be stretched. Just allow yourself to be flexible and relaxed. And it's also important to keep your mind relaxed. Yeah, don't let your mind wander into things that you don't really need to be thinking about, which we do all the time. The second part is, this is something that I do. This is something that helps me. Is that I bring my attention into my middle. Deep into the abdomen area or into the pelvic floor. Now, what this does is it helps me to stabilize my movement. So I let the energy come out from the middle. So the energy comes out, the body is stabilized, and then the limbs begin to flow and move. And it also helps them to remain relaxed. And the third point, which is, probably the most important part the most important point for meditation and concentration, is to bind your breath with your movement. So the breath begins, then the movement begins. So if when I'm inhaling, I complete the movement with the breath. So it's inhale, 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 until I come all the way to the end of the movement. If I'm bringing the arms above the head, here is the end of the inhale, and then I'm going into the exhale. So exhale, exhale, exhale. Stay with the movement until my hands have reached the mat. So the breath flows all the way with the movement. Yeah, so it's not. Don't do something like it's inhale. You inhale and raise the arms above the head. Exhale and you push it out, and then you put the arms down. No, keep the two things together. The breath connects with the movement, and the breath also completes the movement. And this will give you this will bring to you a wonderful concentration, meditation. So let's go through the three things again. Remain relaxed. Allow energy to move and flow out from the middle, and bind your breath and your movement together. Okay, let's have a look. Let's look at this technique in a little more detail. Yeah? So, let's practice Surya Namaskar. No need to practice with a hat on. Not a cowboy anymore. So let's go through this slowly. Yeah? So remember the techniques. You're staying relaxed, staying in the middle, keeping the limbs soft, binding your breath with your movement. It begins with an inhale. Completely relaxed. Exhale, bringing the hands together. You're in prayer. Inhale, raising the arms a little above the head, a little behind the ears. Exhale. Keep the knees relaxed as you come forward. So it's better to be flexible by bending the knees rather than trying to stay straight. Yeah? So slowly coming down, you're bringing the hands flat, you're tucking your head in towards your knee. Okay, the weight is over onto the hands. And you're going to raise up the right leg and slowly bring it back and then lift the head. Holding the breath, bringing the left leg back, very slowly exhaling, dropping the knees, keeping the shoulders relaxed, beginning to stretch the legs, coming into an inhale as you raise the upper body. Now you want to keep the shoulders relaxed here, yeah? We're using the core muscles, the middle of the body, to raise it up. Bring the weight forward, exhale, push back into the downward dog, allowing your heels to relax backwards onto the mat. Now to come forward, it's a long, slow inhale, raising the head to look where you're going. Exhale, low to come forwards. This is flexible. Okay, so you're bent. Yeah? The upper back and the shoulders are relaxed. Now I'm beginning to bring the arms forward, and as I come forwards, now I can begin to stretch the legs. Let the arms come a little behind the ears, and then exhale, yeah? And enjoy the movement, yeah? Enjoy the flow of your breath. Enjoy the feeling of moving into meditation. You inhale slowly. Exhale, fully relaxed, yeah? Mind is relaxed. Inhale, long inhale to bring the arms above the head, hands behind the shoulder. Stay flexible. Allow your knees to bend. Allow the back to be relaxed. Long, long exhale, exhale, exhale. Hands come down. They're meeting with the mat. The weight is slightly to the hands. The head curls into the knees. Now with the weight slightly on the hands, we're pushing the left leg back. Yeah, take your time. You're holding the breath. You're stopping the energy for a moment. Right leg comes back. Body is in a line. Slow exhale. Drop your knees. Yeah, shoulders relaxed. Drop the chest. For me, I drop the chin, or you may want to just drop the forehead towards the ground. Keeping relaxed. Stretching into the legs. Lifting the upper torso. Yeah, keeping with the core. Don't stress into the shoulders here. Exhale, coming back, pushing into the hands, then pushing into the heels. Your energy is in the middle. We're coming forward, staying low, raising the head to see where you're going. Left leg is forward. Exhale, weight forward to the hands, staying low, bring the leg in. Okay, now begin relaxed as you bring the arms forward, legs a little bent, then begin to stretch. Arms come behind the ears, and then a nice gentle exhale to finish. Yeah, so we've gone through the right side and we've gone through the left side. So remember, when you practice, stay relaxed. Imagine that your energy is flowing out from the middle, and always bind your breath with your movement. And this way you'll find meditation. So let's practice a couple of rounds of Surya Namaskar together. Remember, breath, movement, and concentration. Take a nice long deep inhale and a slow exhale, bringing the hands together. Inhale, raising the arms. Exhale, slowly folding forward. A nice deep inhale, bringing the right leg back. Holding the breath, the left leg comes back. Exhale, dropping knees, chest, chin, and maybe forehead. Inhale, Cobra, Bhujangasana. Exhale slowly into the down dog. Inhale, bringing the right leg forwards, raising the head. Exhale, left leg. Inhale, raising the arms up, come a little back, and completely relax with the exhale. Left side, inhale, exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, slowly exhale, folding forward. Inhale, left leg goes back, raising the head. Holding the breath, right leg. Slowly exhale, knees and the upper body. Inhale, when you're ready, come to a cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Deep inhale, left leg comes forwards. Exhale. Inhale, come forwards. And exhale, fully relax. Let's work again. Inhale, exhale, hands together. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, and the right leg goes back. And hold the breath. Bring the left leg back. Slow exhale, knees, chest, chin. Inhale slowly into the cobra. Exhale is downward dog. Inhale, right leg comes forward. Exhale, left. Inhale, stretching forward and up, and a little back. Slow exhale. Deep inhale, and exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, exhale to come forwards. Deep inhale, left leg goes back. Holding the breath, right leg. Exhale, knees, then chest, chin. Inhale, into the cobra, slow and deep. Exhale, into the downward dog. Inhaling, bringing the left leg forwards. Exhale, right leg. And a long, slow, deep inhale to come forwards and up. And exhale, completely relax. So now we've practiced Surya Namaskar. I've shown you all the techniques I know, or all the ways I know of creating a good practice. We are staying relaxed, yeah, keeping the shoulders relaxed, keeping the body relaxed. We're allowing energy to flow out from the middle, flowing out, so the limbs always are relaxed. And we're binding our breath and our movement together. And through this binding of breath, you will find deep concentration, and maybe you'll find you're in a kind of meditative state while you're practicing Surya Namaskar. So now it's up to you. I've shown you all I know. The best way to proceed from here is just do this 3 times every day. Yeah, 3 times on the right side, 3 times on the left side. But do it every day. Take out 10 minutes of your day to practice this. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. And as you practice, you'll slowly get better. Now, you see, what most people do is they just do yoga once or twice, or they come to a yoga class every now and then, and they think they're practicing yoga. But it doesn't work like that. You need to do this every day. then the miracles come. Then after a month you're going, wow, look, my body is really becoming flexible. My breathing's better, my concentration is better. I feel happier. Yeah. Now all these things come, but you need to do it. You need to take the effort to do it every day. So really it's up to you now. Yeah. I've made a second film, and the second film is shot in Austria, and it's shot in a gorge there. And so after you've done, say, a month of practice, move on to the second film, where we'll be doing this same Surya Namaskar, but we'll be using a mantra to add to it. And it'll be 6 rounds. So again, this is only going to be 10 or 12 minutes every day. If you do this every day, then the miracles come. So anyway, enough of me blah-blahing about yoga. I'm now going to go back down the mountain and meet up with my wife and children again for my holiday in Croatia. Okay, so until next time, thanks for watching.